So I got the kids out here using the moisture meter, the EC meter, and right now they're just going through. So these guys probably need some water. Nutrients been actually pretty good. We're looking at like a 1.8 EC. So they point out the one, they do it themselves, and I've automated my farming process. So it's not too bad. Nice hot day. You don't get these that often. Like I said, probably by the time we get out of here, it'll be cloudy and whatnot. Aiden's getting his workout in. What's up? You hope it's cold?
Yeah.
I hope it's cold too.
It's already cold. Just like... My muscles are stronger than Aiden's. That's why I'm making him carry it.
You have strong muscles. Did you beat Aiden? Are you guys gonna race back to the side there?
We'll see if we're choosing.
I thought Gecko was supposed to be the fastest.
I am. He is fast, but he's not stronger than me.
This is the ferocious. That one's just crazy. Chase it down, Maya. Chase it down.
Stabber.
We had to stop spraying a little bit today because the wind picks up. So when you spray your herbicides, you want to make sure you don't overspray onto your crops. So you notice that this is greener than those over there. So we'll get that done. So we're hand weeding everything else around. And it will be more important when they start going, it's good. So it'll be more important as the season goes on. But you really want to stay on top of this now because nobody likes walking through like a pumpkin patch and whatnot, even to harvest or maintain that, not even for like tourists or anything else like that. It's just a pain in the butt. So you want to try to keep it as clean as possible at the beginning of the season, and then that'll allow you to have a better yield. You can see it invading even into our hills. There's nothing to do about that. As you start applying fertilizer, you're feeding the weeds as well.
Oh, she's gone. I'm right here. I'm not going to use it. I just have it. I got it.
Gently. You're a gentle cat.
No, that's a lie. That is a lie.
Gentle, he did it gentle
Yes,
though.
I'm just walking to
Here,
mom.
come here. They fight for the hat. I have two of those hats. Here. Fight to the death, babies. Oh.
Sorry, I can't help you. You're pulling my hair.
Get the gecko here. All right. Let's go down to the next one. Maya, you got poker?
I'm back. I just had some trouble with Clarissa.
You had some trouble. You carried the geck jug.
Okay.
Yeah, they thirsty. It's been hot. All right, grab it.
Clarissa!
All right, next one down.
My
Come
hat.
on. All right, stop. Get up. I put it in. Good job.
Bumpy road.
So what we're doing here is we're getting these guys active and involved with farming, or we're checking moisture levels on the phone to see if we need to irrigate more. Short answer, irrigate. All right, grab the jug, next one. So we'll just go down the line doing moisture check, nutrient check, and pH check. But since the pH is pretty balanced, you don't have too many issues, I'm not going to do it as frequently because it's already within my range. All right, next. We're now just hunting moisture. All right, water this one. Don't stab your brother. All right, get it nice, the soil nice and wet. All right, stick it in.
I'm the leader now.
You're the eater now.
Yeah.
Give it to Rissa so Rissa can get a chance.
Stop, Rissa.
So this one low moisture. So they all need to get watered tomorrow. All right, next one.
Wait, I'm the leader.
All right, go ahead, leader. Go. You choose. All right, water this one.
Wait, can I try stabbing it? No.
You can try stabbing it. Let her
I
try.
said no.
Let her try.
She'll go stab herself. That's enough, Aiden.
All right, stab it in the ground. Then I don't have to bend over. I can just sit here and just look at my phone. Ooh, This one's got lots of moisture and lots of nutrient. Very good. All right, pull it out.
Wait, stop at this one.
No, keep going. We're going all the way down, checking them. Check them all out.
This is just gecko workout.
Good gecko workout.
How flower die?
Right, whatever Rooster says. Yeah, check that one. Water it. Which one is? Which one? Point out. You're the leader. Which one? That one? Water it.
That's enough. That's enough.
Good. Next.
I go. Oh, my
Maya workout. You lead, Riss. You tell.
That's enough. That's enough.
Yep, baby step. Gentle. Look at that wrist face. Alright, no water. Go. So we're doing this like every 10 feet or so, maybe 20 feet. Just stop. Water a plant because these meters really work good when there's water, so we're not really doing that. We'll push it in so I kind of see. You can see out here when I walked through the first time just how dry it is. So, all right, hold on, ready? But I'm testing out the awesome Bluetooth measure. All right, good. That one had water. Next.
Like one after the next one.
Babies.